Where are we?
So, this is outside time and space?
Frisk, please tell me you can still load your save file.
Okay, I can still reach my save, but...
But what?
There's something off here. Feels like the time and space on my save file are all out of place. I don't know if it's where we are or something else.
Or we're stuck?
No, I can still load. I'm not sure what will happen when we do.
Okay. That just means that this really is our one shot. When we leave here, we're gone for good.
So we find a way to bring Gaster back into the timeline now, or he's really lost forever.
So, where is he?
Huh? Hey, wait! Gaster! Don't vanish on us! We'll track down that jerk if it's the...
Where are we now? Huh?
Cheaters, sneaks, hackers all along. Now, you're where you belong.
Who are you?
No one anymore.
Hey, come back! We just want to talk to you!
And try to figure out where Gaster went!
He doesn't want to see you. Doesn't like cheats like you do.
We'll worry about what he does and doesn't like once we find him. We can't just give up now.
Shouldn't you first worry about your friend?
What friend?
The one right behind you, smiling at the end. Oh, they're gone. Did you see their eyes?
Who are you even talking about?
Next time you see your friend, you should apologize.
Even when we actually find Gaster, we still can't get to him.
If this is outside time and space, why does it still look like parts of Waterfall?
And why do you have to go call us space? That's mean.
I guess this other world looks and sounds like bits of the real world, but everything's just messed up.
It's definitely messed up. It doesn't sound like anything at all.
Why don't we just shortcut from room to room until we find him?
What would we be shortcutting to? We can't even trust the ground.
Okay, some of this stuff is different. I've never seen a crystal like this in the underground before.
Stranger. Please. What's it like outside?
Maybe these guys are the ones that Gaster did tests on. The ones that were lost?
So they've never even seen the surface.
You mean what the surface looks like?
What surface? I just want to know what's outside this room.
Why don't you go and see?
I'm scared to move. If I touch the wrong thing, I might crash.
Crash?
If you knew, you'd be scared too.
Do you know where to find Gaster?
Stranger, I've never left this room. I don't know anything. I don't know what I'm supposed to be anymore. I'm sorry, Doctor. I'm too scared.
How about we go to the next room, and then see what's there, and then we can come back and tell you. Then maybe you can talk a bit more about Gaster.
Please. I'm scared.
It'd be really nice if these weird physics would work in our favor for once.
I just want to know
Again?
where we're supposed to be walking.
Huh? A frogget?
Ribbit, let's run a test. We didn't start any fights!
Are we just getting more lost?
I hope not.
If we could just find someone who can actually guide us, we'd be fine.
How are you two doing?
Huh? Toriel, how are you here now?
Do not be afraid, my child. I am Toriel, caretaker of the ruins. I pass through here every day to see if anyone has fallen down. You are the first human to come here in a long time.
It's not really you, is it?
I will do my best to protect you during your time here.
I'm starting to get why the river person was warning us away from here. Why those other guys were acting so messed up. This place, it'd drive anyone insane.
What that mean, Gaster too?
If we give up now, we'll just end up like those other guys. We have to keep at it.
You know, Frisk, for the first time, I'm glad all of us are stuck in this body. I don't think this sort of place is meant to be handled alone.
Hey! An echo flower!
Error.
Oh! No kidding! This place is full of errors, dumb flower!
Whose voice was that?
I'm starving. Let's get some food.
Oh, don't get your hopes up. It's probably fake or will turn into bullets or something.
Unfortunately, it's just dry food.
No! This really is the worst place ever.
Do you want him to hear you? He's listening, you know.
We've been searching all over for Gaster. We just want to talk to him.
Don't be a liar. You don't want to just talk.
Okay, fine. But we're here to help him.
Can't be so rude and careless. What if you crash?
What do you mean by crash?
Fatal errors. You could destroy yourselves. You could destroy everything.
We'll be careful, and we won't crash. But we do need to find him.
Keep your voices down. You don't want him to hear.
These guys are no help at all!
There's some kind of help. I think we're getting a clearer picture of what we'll be dealing with when we do track him down.
And what's that?
Someone who doesn't want our help.
I don't like this room. It's bad. Let's leave.
What do you mean? There's nothing in here.
Ribbit.
What the?
What's happening?
You're gonna have to try to horn it.
It's bad. It's bad. We need to run away.
We will be together forever, won't
Chara!
we? Since you were the one in control.
Cheetahs! Run to me! Don't go near the White Room. It's busy checking
Checking what?
everything. Thanks, you really helped us. I got stuck in the White Room once. I was terrified. Then it was very brave of you to lead us out. I wanted to ask you something. What? Can I pet you? At the lab,
guard dog was nice to me and let me pet him. I miss him. You feel real. I've forgotten how real things felt. Thank you.
Can you do us a favor too? Please help us find Gaster. We know you think we're cheaters, that he doesn't want to see us, but we still want to try and help. We'll be careful, and we won't crash anything.
I know how to find him. You need to rethink your fun. You need to think of a number.
Any number?
No. Think of the number 66.
Okay.
There you go. He's behind that door.
Wow, thanks. That was... Huh? Okay, guys, are we ready?
Ready as ever.
Even the garden feels the same. She really does love recreating things long gone. You know, I had hoped that once all monsters got their freedom, I would too. That was the plan all along, wasn't it? Not that you were any good at following it. But no. I'm still here. It was even okay. With Frisk. I thought I could just sleep, and that would be close enough. But with them gone, now I know I can't escape this world on my own. Even if they do come back, someday later, they'll pass on, and here I'll stay, once again, rotting in the ground. You really think being stuck as a flower is awful? Try being fertilizer. I'm so tired. All I want is what everyone else found. All I want is some peace. But there is none in the past, and there's none for me in the future. And it's all your fault. I know you're just sticking it out, for Frisk's sake. But let's not kid ourselves. I know what it's like, being trapped in this empty shell. So how about I just take some initiative for the both of us?
Frisk! What are you doing?
I heard you left.
Sans was right. You're not Frisk. Who? What are you? Don't touch him!
You'll seriously fight me? Over this stupid empty weed?
Whoever you are, I don't want to hurt you, but I won't let you hurt him either.
That's real funny, coming from you.
Why are you doing this?
Because for once, I can.
Stop it now!
Just give it to me.
No!
Hold it right there, kid.
Really? You'll step up to defend that useless flower? After all he did to you? Now that is funny.
It's funny. Never would have thought I'd get back to Karen, but alright. This time I feel like I stand to lose something. But you know, I suspect you've got a lot to lose too. I mean, come on, kid. You're outnumbered. Your love is way low and you can't reset. You got no hope of winning. So just put the knife down and walk away.
Well, now you've got me curious. Who would you be willing to lose first? Frisk or him?
I told you, I don't need to resort to violence, kid. All I gotta do is keep you grounded.
Was that supposed to do something?
That was supposed to work.
Something affecting the soul, I guess. Too bad. That will work on me. So will you resort to violence after all?
Wait, what? Undyne, what are you doing? Stop that! Undyne, wait, stop! What's wrong? Undyne, help! I got this. Yeah.